What if the biggest tech shortage today isn't chips, but memory? What if companies like Samsung and SK Hynix aren't struggling to supply, but choosing who gets it? And what if AI is quietly rewriting the rules of the entire memory market? Today, one industry chairman called DRAM suppliers the new Santa Claus. But in this story, Santa doesn't give gifts to everyone. Wherever you're watching from, the United States, Europe, or anywhere else, welcome to the channel. If you want deep tech stories that explain why markets move, subscribe, and let's continue. This wasn't said by a YouTuber or a trader. It came from Lu Chao-chun, chairman of Etron, a Taiwanese IC company that lives inside the memory ecosystem. When someone inside the supply chain says customers are now grateful just to receive DRAM, that tells us power has shifted. Memory suppliers are no longer price takers. They're gatekeepers. A few years ago, memory was cheap. During COVID, demand collapsed. PC shipments slowed. Smartphones stagnated. DRAM makers did something unusual. They didn't expand aggressively. They protected margins instead. So when demand returned, capacity didn't. And then AI arrived. Modern AI chips don't just need memory. They need HBM, high bandwidth memory. HBM stacks multiple DRAM modules together. It's complex, expensive, time-consuming to manufacture. One AI accelerator can consume as much memory as dozens of consumer GPUs. And Nvidia, AMD, and ASIC players are all competing for the same supply. This is why AI, not PCs, now dominates DRAM demand. When supply is tight, someone always pays the price. And it's not the hyperscalers, it's consumers. Laptops get more expensive, GPUs stay limited, upgrades get delayed, even automakers and industrial clients are pushed to the back of the line. This is why Lu Chao-chun says customers are thankful, not demanding. Samsung, SK, Hynix, Micron. They now decide allocation first, pricing second. This is classic supply-side leverage. They're not flooding the market, they're rationing it, and rebuilding DRAM capacity isn't fast. New fabs take years, not months. Industry estimates suggest DRAM constraints could last until 2027. That's not a short cycle. That's a structural shift. AI workloads aren't slowing. HBM demand is accelerating. And once capacity eventually comes online, pricing power may already be locked in. So no, memory suppliers aren't Santa Claus. They're something else entirely. They control the fuel of modern computing. And for the next few years, they get to decide who gets to build the future. The real question is this: will supply ever catch up with AI demand? Or are we entering a permanent era of selective access? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Subscribe for more deep tech analysis. Thanks for watching.